Hey guys, I'm Madison.
And I'm Grow With Heart Ambassador Brooklyn.
Today I'm going to be styling my sister's hair and I'm going to show you how to do the waterfall braid hairstyle. Okay, so to start off this hairstyle, I'm just going to get a little gel and run it through my hands. We're going to be using her natural part. And I'm going to take a thin little section from the top layer. We're going to split it in 3 pieces. And we're going to start a regular braid. And then once you've got your starting point, we're going to start grabbing pieces from the outside, like a French braid. And we're just moving down the head a little bit diagonal back. So once you get a little bit behind the ear here, you're going to grab one more piece from the outside, and this piece closest to the ear, we're going to leave it out. And we're going to grab more hair from underneath and pull that over. So same thing again. Grab some more hair from this side. The piece that you would normally bring over, leave that out. Grab from underneath. And just keep moving around the head. So this is a nice, easy hairstyle to do. It can be very messy. It doesn't have to look perfect. Okay, so now that we've made our way around the head, we're going to leave this section out to curl in the end. And we're just moving down the head with just 3 sections, just normal braid, all the way down. Alright, so now that I've made it to the end of the braid, I'm just going to wrap a little rubber band around. I left about 2 inches of hair down at the bottom. So now that we've wrapped the rubber band around, I'm just going to go up the braid and pull the edges of the hair. And this is what's going to give it that loose, messy look. So no matter what your braid turned out like, this hairstyle can be super cute and super messy. Okay, so now that we're done with the braid, as you can see, I've pulled out all these pieces around the head. And I'm just going to do a light spray. And that'll just help hold those curls that we're going to add. So I'm just using my curling iron as more of a wand. So I'm going to take each piece that got left out of the braid, turn this upside down, and just twist the hair around, leaving about a 1-inch section out to give it that beach wave look. Letting go after about 5 seconds. I'm going to take the next piece, and I'm going to do the next piece the opposite way. So we're just alternating which way the curl is. Leaving that inch out. 5 seconds, let go. Now that I've made it to the front part of the head, we're going to make sure we take these 3 sections and go back away from her face with the curls. Okay, so now I'm just going to spray the hair, and I'm going to get a little gel on my fingers again. Just run my hands lightly through the hair, pulling out those curls to give it just a really cute wavy look. I'm going to turn it around here and use that gel to get away any flyaways around her face, any little baby hairs. So now that we've sprayed the hair and pulled out all our curls, we're going to add the last final touch, the super cute headband from Justice. Put that right over the top of her head. And there it is. And that's our waterfall braid hairstyle. You turn around and check it out in the mirror for me. You like it?
Yes, it's so cool.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
Make sure you subscribe to Justice's YouTube channel so you can see more hair tutorial videos.